Hey friends, I promised you a recipe for white chicken chili and today is the day. We're gonna go ahead and get together some ingredients and get started right now. Okay, so let's talk the ingredients that we're gonna use. You need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth, a can of Great Northern beans, also called white kidney beans, a can of corn, about 4 ounces of diced green chilies. Go ahead and get out some salt and some cornstarch. We'll need onion powder and chili powder and about a half a block of cream cheese. So take your 4 chicken breasts, go ahead and put them in a Dutch oven, usually 3 to 4 quart, so we want it to be pretty good sized. We're gonna cover that with the chicken broth. We've got 2 cups. Go ahead and turn your oven on medium high, bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna reduce the heat down to medium low. Awesome, y'all. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and cover it and let it sit for about 15 minutes and let that chicken get really tender. While the chicken is cooking, let's go ahead and measure out all the ingredients we're gonna need. The can of corn and the can of beans, go ahead and drain and rinse. The green chilies, go ahead and stick them in a ramekin so they're ready to dump. We're gonna measure out 1 teaspoon of chili powder and a half teaspoon each of the onion powder and the salt. The half block of cream cheese, go ahead and cube it up and make sure it is softened. And then get your favorite hot sauce. We love Tapatio because it gives a really good flavor. Okay, y'all know my favorite way to shred chicken is to use my KitchenAid mixer. So we've got the chicken breast in there. It's cooled off for just a second. Go ahead and lower it down, lock it in place, and turn it to stir. We're just gonna let it slowly start the shredding process and then speed it up a tiny bit once it gets there. Chicken shredded, it's in the Dutch oven. We're gonna go ahead and stir to combine the beans and the corn.
Y'all thought she was gonna make it to the video without me popping in and messing it up, didn't you? Are you putting hot sauce in it?
Yes, I am. Your
Yeah.
Tapatio. We've got our green chilies, all of our seasonings. I hope that you saved all of that chicken broth because I want you to pour it in the Dutch oven with all of your other ingredients. We're going to stir it up and we're going to cook it on medium heat covered for 10 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and take the top off. Oh, that smells so good. We're gonna add our cream cheese. And we want to stir until it's melted really well. And we're gonna incorporate it into our chili. All right, guys, what do we think about it?
I like it.
Is it yum?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Really good.
Thanks for making this, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.